As you may have seen, the Camp-Lit Passion offers many different possibilities. One of those being able to take your kitchen to the outside. We have actually taken the side panel out of your Passion here, but you can still take your kitchen out and zip your panel back in, as it has a special zip on that side panel. If you were going to do that, a great little optional extra is the Passion Kitchen Canopy. By adding the Kitchen Canopy, that means you can keep your kitchen on the outside, keeping it outside of the main unit itself, giving you more space inside. The Kitchen Canopy simply zips on to the zip on the side of the Passion. Aluminium frame, so it's nice and lightweight. You have got extra material down the back here, which can be rolled up if you wish, but that just gives you a bit of extra protection if the wind is coming from that way. A great little extra, as we say, to have your cooking on the outside, add a windbreak, give you a little cooking area, perfect for your holiday.